morning, good awesome and amazing morning. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell button so you know every time I upload a new video. And good morning, y'all. I'm still kind of but it's early morning. Happy Thursday, y'all. I feel great. I'm about to go ahead and take my Nura Burst, y'all. The link will be down below. To get your Nura Burst, we all need a vitamin, and this is a multi-liquid vitamin. So this stuff right here is really, really good. Take me a capful. On an empty stomach. So today is gonna be a motivational video, y'all. Y'all know I'm about the vibes, about the energy. So I just want to spread you guys some morning motivation. I'm gonna take my fight as well. I got my water. I'm gonna try to make it. I'm gonna make it a goal to. This is a liter. To drink at least 2 liters a day. If I drink more, perfect. But I just want to start out simple, guys. It's important to consume a lot of water when you taking these products or when you taking anything in general. You want to drink a lot of water. So this is a liter of water. This is, I think, 9.5 pH balance, y'all. So this is alkaline water. So yeah, guys, not sure if it's, but listen, I want to get some kind of alkaline in my body because I don't get it from most of my food. So that's also why I love Nura Burst, because if you don't get your nutrients and your vitamins and all that good stuff, this will put it back into your body. So my goal was to drink 2 of these a day, but I'm gonna go ahead and put my fight in here this morning. So yeah, guys, I just hope you guys have an awesome and amazing day, y'all. Ooh, TLC just paid your girl. Okay. So today is Thursday, y'all. Every Thursday we get paid with TLC. So today's payday. I just got my paycheck. Okay. Yeah, guys. If you want more information about what it is that I do, check out my other videos. But I'll put another video. I always put videos about TLC. But today I just want it to be motivational, y'all. When you wake up in the morning, I want you guys to always move with gratitude, to be grateful and thankful because you woke up and somebody didn't, y'all. Somebody did not. You need to be always thanking God for another chance, another opportunity. I look at it as every time I wake up in the morning, God is just saying, you know what, I'm not done with you yet. So I have another, chance at life to pursue my purpose and pursue my dreams and help people, y'all. So always wake up with gratitude. When you wake up in the morning, just name 3 things that you're grateful for. Oh, I thought she got out of the room. Oh, look at that, y'all. Name 3 things that you are grateful for and start your day positive, y'all. Do not let nobody bring you down and stop your shine. Because listen, y'all, everybody got people who talks about them. Everybody got haters and stuff. But if you ain't got haters, you ain't doing nothing right. You know what I mean? So you're always going to have haters whether you're doing good, whether you're doing bad. People are going to talk about you whether you're doing good, whether you're doing bad. So fuck it, get them something to talk about. Sorry about my language, it's early in the morning, but give them something to talk about because they're gonna talk regardless. You know what I mean? That is a superfood right here. So if you ain't got time to blend up no smoothies and all that, get you some Fight. It has all your green goods in there, y'all. So people are going to talk regardless, y'all. Just ignore it. Don't be discouraged. If you have dreams and goals, go pursue them dreams and goals. Sometimes, you can't always talk to people about your next move, about your goals, because they don't have faith in themselves. Why would they have faith in you? Even if it's I want to take ice skating classes or boxing classes, and somebody's like, oh, you can't do that. You can't. Don't get discouraged. Do it anyway. Do it anyway because you never know what it will lead to. You never know the outcome. So do not listen to people talking about you and saying bad things about you because people are miserable, y'all. Listen, people are truly miserable. And you know the saying, misery loves company. So if somebody's miserable, they ain't got nothing going on with their life, they're going to try to make you miserable. Spread lies about you, talk about you just to bring you down. And there's a lot of people who like to bring other people down to make themselves feel good, feel better. But all in reality is not. You just making yourself even worse. You're blocking your blessing because you keep talking bad about the next person. You know what I mean? No weapon formed against me shall prosper. And every tongue that rises up against me in judgment shall be condemned. That's a little affirmation that Story Wellington says, but it's true. You know what I mean? Everybody who talks bad, this is why I try not to talk. Well, I don't really talk bad about nobody. I really even try to not to share my opinions because I don't want to engage in any negative activity, any bad thinking or talking that's going to hinder my blessings. Yeah, it can be hard because you got a lot of people coming to you in your ear talking crazy, or you hear things, but it's just you have to be the bigger person. And sometimes it sucks, y'all. I mean, I had to deal with being the bigger person for, oh, look at my skin kind of glowing. I had to deal with being the bigger person for a long time. Sometimes, like, you feel like I don't want to be the big person. I want to talk my shit too. I want to get my point across too. But sometimes being silent is the best thing that you could do. And I had to learn that. I really had to learn that because, you know, karma comes around and God knows exactly what he is doing. Let me tell y'all, God done brought me a long, long way. From times where I thought I had no way to get out of the situation I was in, I got through it. So I want you guys to think about a time when you thought you was stuck in a situation, you had no idea where you was going to come out of it. But you came out of it. You are here today through the grace of God, y'all. So don't sleep, y'all. Do not sleep. Always, be thankful and be humble. It's always good to be humble because it's just good, you know what I mean? So you're going to have negative. You can't have negative without the positive. You can't have, up without the down. So you just have to know how to leverage it out and what to cut off. It's important to watch what you listen to, who you listen to, who's talking to you, what you watching. That's why I be cautious about what I watch. I don't even watch TV, honestly. I don't watch TV. I got Netflix and stuff, but it's for my daughter, not really for me. I don't watch TV. And I watch what I watch. Like my fiance, he likes to watch, scary movies and stuff. I mean, I guess there's nothing wrong with it, but just me personally, I'm not a big fan of scary movies because I like to protect my peace. I don't want to watch no demonic and satanic things. I don't want that in my brain, in my sight. I just don't, because I like to, keep my vibrations up. I like to watch happy, funny movies, dramas, some thrillers. But all that extra scary stuff, I'm not really with it. I mean, I watch it sometimes just to make him happy and watch it with him, but I'm starting to be like, listen, I can't take that. I just can't. I don't want to, watch that stuff. But be careful who you listen to, people be in your ear. And listen, guys, you cannot always listen to people's problems. I understand you may have your friend, your best friend, your cousin, your aunt, your mom, your uncle, whoever it is, but I know you want to be that lending ear, the ear to, hear what they got going on and comfort them, but sometimes you cannot listen to everybody's stuff because that stuff comes on you, and I'm serious. Like, just listen, energy is really, really important, really, and it's real. So if you constantly listen to what somebody's saying, oh, he ain't shit, or she did this, or I go this, I'm struggling, that stuff comes on you. You don't want that energy to wear you down, you know what I mean? A lot of people like to complain, but they don't like to do nothing about the situation. So what's the point of you coming to me, talking to me about your problems, complaining, and I'm giving you advice and you're not taking it? You're going to keep complaining about the same stuff you're not willing to change. People like that, I just stay far away because I have my own little things that, I'm dealing with or going through, and I don't want to keep hearing everybody else's stuff. And honestly, I'm not really going through a lot. I think life is really good for me right now. I'm not in a bad space. My home is good. Everything is really good, and it's been like this for a while. And I thought life couldn't be this. It's like life is this easy. You know what I mean? Nothing is bad. Like, my relationships is good. My family is good. My home is good. My business is good. Everything is really good. So I have absolutely nothing to complain about, and I'm super blessed because I remember a time it wasn't like that. It was like every day was a constant, battle, a constant argument, a constant struggle. Don't get me wrong. We all struggle a little bit. I struggle with some things too. But it's not nothing that I can't handle because I know God got me. You know what I mean? So I'm just so happy and grateful to say that life is really good. For a lot of people, it's not. But you cannot let the struggle keep you down. You cannot keep making excuses as to why you're not here in life. You don't have this. You don't got that. You're not with this person. Everything happens for a reason. If you think about your life now, everything happens for you, not to you. And just so that's why I say energy is real. You got to be careful what you speak, what you be around, because believe it or not, the life that you are in right now, you attracted. Somehow you attracted this life. So it's like, if it's good or if it's bad. If it's good, then good. You attracted good energy, good vibes, good all that stuff. If it's bad, you attracted bad energy, bad vibes, bad people. So you just got to think about your situation, and really be careful in what you speak, y'all. The tongue is so strong. I just like, you know what I mean? This is why I really every day be cautious about what I do, what I say, what I listen to, what I hear. So I encourage you guys just to continue to dream big, y'all. Dream big. Do not dream small for nobody. And don't be telling everybody your moves. You know what I mean? Because everybody is not going to support you. Believe it or not, there's people waiting on your downfall. People praying on your downfall. For what, though? I just don't get that. You know, why would you want to watch somebody else fail? Why would you want to tear somebody else down? Because you're not happy with yourself. That person or you, whoever you may know, they're not happy with themselves. And I just don't think it's right for you to tear another person down, especially another person who's actually trying to do something with their life. Why would you want to badmouth them? Why would you want to spread lies about them? Why would you want to tear them down? I just don't get it, y'all. So this morning, I just want to encourage you guys to put you first. You know, say yes to you. A lot of people be minding everybody's business. Go join TLC and mind a business that pays you. Literally, instead of minding everybody else's business that you ain't got no business minding. Join the business that's going to pay you. You know what I mean? So I encourage you all just to smile. Make somebody smile today, you know. Make yourself happy, engaging in positive conversations. There's nothing wrong with giving people the benefit of the doubt, but you got one time. Forget 2 and 3 times. All that stuff is out. You got one time to mess it up. For me, you got one time to screw it up and it's over. So for you, I think you should just give that person one time. There's no point in giving second and third, fifth, sixth chances. Okay, yeah, I believe in second chances and stuff, but we're in 2020 now. You mess up once, I mean, come on. It's just, you know what I mean? So, don't let nobody stop your shine, y'all. Continue to be yourself. If it's a business you been wanting to start, go start that business. If it's a class you been wanting to take, go start that class. If it's something you want to do, go do it. And don't care what nobody has to say. Like, you know what I mean? We're in a new decade. Why would you limit yourself? Why would you stop yourself from being the best you? Like, why? We are limitless beings, y'all. We could do anything we set our minds to. And that is strong. Whatever it is that you want to do, all you have to do is just have patience. Be consistent and have patience, y'all. Consistency is really the freaking key. It may sound cliche, you may hear it a lot, but listen to me. Consistency is key. It is super, super important, y'all. So, today I'm drinking my fight. I started working back out in my house again. So consistency is key. I've been on my tea, on my products. I feel good. I've been detoxing like crazy, releasing all the stuff and mucus and all that. It's just crazy, y'all. If you're not on this tea, go get you some of this detox tea. Like I said, my last video for the month of February, the first 5 people to go click the link in my bio or click the description down below, go buy you a bottle of Nura Burst. You need a liquid vitamin. And go get you some of this detox tea. I will send you a free sample of another product that we have that is a meal replacement. It's really good. So just go click the link. Go get your Nura Burst and stop cheating yourself, y'all. Y'all need to stop being cheap with yourself. And I had to realize that too. Growing up broke and poor and, trying to hold on to money so tightly. Every time I find myself looking around and shopping, I'm like, damn, that's too much money. Let me go look for the cheaper one. Or damn, you know what? If I get this, I can save me this. You know what? It's like, why would I do that? Why would you continue to do that? We only live once. I need to start treating myself like I want other people to treat me. I'm not cheap. I don't want to keep buying the cheap shit. And then, I want to spend money on me. So I started, you know what? Money comes to me easily and effortlessly. I'm going to get it back. I'm going to make it back. Let me go ahead and spend this on me because I deserve it. You know what I mean? So your health is important. What's $50? You spend $50 on probably in a day on food. Buy something in the morning, buy something in the afternoon, buy something for, dinner. That's $50 gone. So why not put something that's going to last you a month, help you feel good, help your hair grow, clean your immune system, give you energy, all the vitamins you need, all kind of good stuff. Your kids can drink it. My daughter's 1 and I give it to her, even though I've been giving it to her since she was about 6 months. But she's good. You know what I mean? She got a little cold now. But I've been giving her some Nura Burst. So she's getting better, y'all. So invest in your health, y'all. And stop. Listen, people keep saying they ain't got no money, times is hard, this and that. But you have the money. I know it sucks to work paycheck to paycheck because it's like as soon as you get your paycheck today, you're broke today. I understand that. Trust me, I know. But this is why I chose to do something bigger than me and better me and my family and to join a business. TLC is a product-based business. They tap into the drop shipping industry, y'all. If you don't know what drop shipping is, it is an awesome and amazing industry to be in. We are in a time now where you can sell a product and get a paycheck without having any inventory in your home. Jack Fallon made it so easy. All you gotta do is set your link up. Tell people to go click the link in your bio. They're gonna order their Nura Burst. TLC is gonna ship them their Nura Burst, but they are going to cut you a paycheck. And how easy is that? Imagine if you do that every single day. And now we get paid daily, y'all, every single day. So you can sell you 5 bottles of Nura Burst and make $100, y'all. And it's just too easy. You just have to be a product of the product and believe in what you're doing. Like I said before, I've been in other companies and I didn't really believe in it as much as I do TLC. That's probably why I didn't make as much money as I did now here with TLC. But I just love the products, y'all. I love the company. I love the community. I love the people in it. It's just also an amazing company, y'all. So y'all better get involved into an industry that's gonna pay you while you sleep, pay you, to promote a product, push the products, you know what I mean? And you don't have to have any inventory in your home unless you like me. I got all this inventory over here. I keep inventory in my house because I know I speak to people who don't want to click the link in my bio. They want Nura Burst now. They can buy it for me now. So and that's part of retail, what we do. So it's just awesome and amazing, y'all. I chose to step out of my comfort zone and do something different, and I'm super happy I did. I just have a lot of big dreams, big goals, and things are really looking up for me and my family. I just love it. I'm super happy, super grateful, super thankful, and I want you all to do the same, feel the same way. Don't let nobody stop your shine. Keep grinding, and most of all, do not give up. Do not give up. Even when you feel like giving up, you feel like things not moving fast enough, you feel like your time ain't coming, just keep pressing forward, y'all. Trust me. Don't give up on yourself. Do not quit on you. Because if you quit on you, you quit on your family. You quit on the people who is, going to attract you. You quitting on the people who you are supposed to help. So don't quit. Keep going, y'all. If you're unhappy with your life, change it. If you're unhappy with your body, change it. If you're unhappy with your job, change it. But don't quit your job. Use your job to fund your dream, y'all. I'm a strong believer in that. And I just wish you all the best, y'all. Thank you. We at 119 subscribers, y'all. I'm super, super happy. I can't wait to hit that 1,000 mark. That 1,000 subscribers, y'all. So please continue to share this video. Tag your friends, your family who you know could use, this morning motivation. These products are awesome. Just tag somebody who's looking for a change in their life. Maybe I can help. Or maybe we can help them because you referred them, to my video. But just stay up, y'all. Stay positive. Stay blessed. I love each and every one of y'all. Thank you for supporting me and watching me. I'm always going to say that. And yeah, guys, do not give up. Don't care about the naysayers. They're going to be some naysayers. Like I said, give people something to talk about. People been talking about me for who knows what. I give them something to talk about because I don't care. Because I know I have dreams and goals that are coming into reality. How they would get done is not my business. It's God's business, y'all. And it should be the same thing for you, y'all. So, it's about what? 9:35 now. I'm going to go ahead and eat me a boiled egg, drink my fight, and just do my quick little workout, and then go spend some time with my daughter because she ain't feeling good. And then, yeah, guys, so super happy, super grateful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button so you know every time I upload a new video. Share this video with your friends, your family, whoever. If you want some Nura Burst, the link will be down below. If you want some tea, the link will be down below. And tell all them haters who talking about you to kiss yo. You know what I mean? So, let's go, y'all. Let's get it. And I'll see you guys in my next video.